Meaning of gemstone.
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 Gemstone. A gemstone is a precious or semi-precious stone that is used in jewelry or decoration due to its beauty, rarity, and durability. Gemstones are typically formed within the Earth's crust through various geological processes, such as heat and pressure. They come in a variety of colors, shapes, and sizes. Examples of gemstones include diamonds, rubies, sapphires, emeralds, and amethysts, among others. Due to their value and allure, gemstones have been cherished throughout human history and continue to be highly sought after today in the world of jewelry and adornment.